traction coming in at this time. But Avinash, overall oil and gas space, we've been talking to some experts. Brokerage reports have also come in on upstream companies like ONGC, almost saying that there is a no-brainer over here. You're looking at big upside, the 50% upside over current levels. We're talking about Petronet LNG now getting into talks with Qatar Gas. Do you think there are more upsides within the oil and gas space in some of these companies? At least there are pockets of growth over here that investors can look at closely?
I think, Vikram, within the oil and gas space, I think companies like Petronet or typically even Indraprastha Gas, I would believe that, these are companies which are well positioned, have got very strong balance sheets. And I would believe that despite the regulatory kind of, factor in the sector, I think over the next, say, 2 to 3 years, these companies are well positioned because gas being a cleaner fuel, there's umpteen demand for these companies. And I would not be surprised that both the industrial as well as the residential pockets offer a good opportunity. I think, investors should use the dip to get into these kind of gas companies. I think even GAIL for that reason could be an interesting choice, considering that, gas pipeline business is going to be a very strong business for them. And overall, I think unlike, crude, which has a rather volatile kind of trend, gas companies, I would believe, are more steady in terms of cash flows and in terms of earnings. So definitely these companies could be a good portfolio pick.